In this video, guys, I'll be telling you how to do screen recording on your iPad. So first of all, guys, you just need to scroll down from the top, and here if you don't see this screen recording button over here, guys, just tap on this plus button at the top, and now you will see, guys, here the add a control button at the bottom. Tap on it, and now from here you can hold the screen recording button over here, guys. Tap on, hold it, and it will be added over here. You can remove it anytime, guys. Just tap on the negative sign, and yeah, once you add this button, guys, now just hold this button to guys, turn on the microphone. Once just tap on it, and the red light or red color indicate that your mic is on. And now just tap on the iPad start recording, guys, button over here to record your iPad screen. Subscribe for more videos, guys. Tell them bye.